Do you want to flaunt a radiant smile that exudes confidence? Your lips play a significant role in your overall appearance and self-assurance. This comprehensive lip care guide is tailored to empower trans women in maintaining healthy, vibrant lips that enhance their natural beauty. From nourishing routines to handy tips, let's dive into your ultimate lip care journey. Your smile is your unique expression of joy and self-assuredness. To embrace your identity as a trans woman, caring for your lips is an essential part of your self-care routine. Your lips deserve attention, care, and love, just like every other part of your body. Understanding lip care basics. Lip care starts with understanding the basics. Your lips have delicate skin that is more prone to dryness and cracking compared to the rest of your face. They lack oil glands, making them susceptible to environmental stressors. Thus, adopting a specialized lip care regimen is crucial. Hydration, the foundation of lip care. The key to luscious lips is hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your lips moisturized from the inside out. Additionally, using a nourishing lip balm with natural ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, or coconut oil can create a protective barrier against harsh elements. Exfoliation, removing dead skin for luscious lips. Regular exfoliation is vital to maintain soft lips. Gently exfoliate your lips using a homemade sugar scrub or a soft toothbrush to remove dead skin cells and promote blood circulation. This step prepares your lips for better absorption of lip treatments. Nourishing lip treatments. Treat your lips to the goodness of nourishing treatments. Apply lip serums, balms, or oils enriched with vitamins A, C, and E to keep them supple and rejuvenated. Massaging these treatments gently enhances blood flow, enhancing your lips' natural color. Choosing the perfect lip colors. Express your individuality by choosing lip colors that resonate with your style. Whether it's a bold red or a subtle nude, opt for lip products that are hydrating and long-lasting. Don't be afraid to experiment and find shades that make you feel confident. Sun protection for your lips. Your lips are susceptible to sun damage, too. Apply a lip balm with SPF before heading outdoors. This protects your lips from harmful UV rays and prevents pigmentation. Healthy habits for gorgeous lips. Incorporate healthy habits into your routine for a radiant smile. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals contributes to the health of your lips. Avoid smoking, as it can darken your lips and lead to premature aging. Makeup removal for bedtime. Before bedtime, ensure you remove all traces of makeup from your lips. Use a gentle makeup remover to cleanse your lips, allowing them to breathe and rejuvenate overnight. Daily lip care routine. Craft a daily lip care routine that suits your lifestyle. Cleanse, exfoliate, nourish, and protect. Consistency is key to achieving and maintaining healthy, beautiful lips. DIY lip care recipes. Explore DIY recipes for lip care. Create homemade lip masks using honey and aloe vera for intense hydration. Customized treatments can be fun and effective. Smile confidence and self-empowerment. Your smile is a symbol of your strength and authenticity. Embrace your journey as a trans woman with confidence. Your lips reflect your uniqueness, wear your smile proudly. Common lip care concerns. Address common lip care concerns, such as chapped lips and pigmentation. Learn how to combat these issues with the right products and practices. Dispelling myths about lip care. Separate fact from fiction. There are numerous myths about lip care. Get accurate information to make informed choices about your lip care routine. Caring for your lips is an act of self-love that transcends gender. Embrace your identity and radiate confidence through your captivating smile. With consistent care and attention, you can nurture lips that reflect your inner strength and beauty.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.